Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the crypto market is consolidating. So the market is really volatile. So up and down, up and down. So this is a kind of distribution or just soaking up some liquidity. So we will look into it. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technicalities, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research, and also just according to your financial conditions. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like helping out the YouTube algorithm. So let's make this smaller and let's get into and check our favorite bubble chart. You see that Bitcoin is up 1.6%, just a little bit below 40,000 US dollar. Ethereum the same percentage, 1.6, and just a little bit about 2,900 US dollars. And we see a few altcoins are correcting, like Osmos, AMP, Rune, Helium, Atom, Mana, Avalanche, but few of them like Kava, RDU, Cake, and especially APE is pumping. So APE is unstoppable, but also BNB and Hex looking pretty good. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 24. Yesterday it was 21, so still in the extreme fear zone. Not too much happening here. So the sentiment still is in negative, and investors are fearful. But as long as they are so fearful, that we can find some nice buying opportunities. And this is the hardest time because there is no clear direction where the market wants to go, and this side waving is the most that just shaking out the most of the people because they cannot trade and they are suffering with liquidations. So let's get into our first news. Bitcoin set for volatile months close after BTC price checks all boxes for major move. Bitcoin circles all important point of control. So since the breakout from 20,000 in December 2022, BTC has consolidated in this range more than any other. And yes, zooming in slightly to the 3-day charts reveals the 3-day 50 moving average crosses below the 100-day moving average. 3-day moving average has triggered rallies, and interactions with the 3-day 200-day moving average has either led to a rally or breakout to the macro bottom they noted. So these guys, this crossing, and this is where the Bitcoin price is sitting, is either just leading to a huge dump, kind of capitulation, or a rally that's happened in the past. Especially we see in here, and also in August last no, it's October last year. So guys, let's go forward. Lost moving averages stuck up, so most of the we are below most of the moving averages. Expect more volatility coming into the monthly close open. We look for a new trend precognition signal on the monthly chart then. So until BTC reclaims the key moving averages, these are considered distribution rallies used to sell the rip or add to short positions. So this is what's happening. So just wiping out as many liquidity as they can. So this is quite shaky things, guys. So next, Purpose Bitcoin ETF at 1.1 thousand Bitcoin as data hints investors want to buy the dip. So data buy the dip, interest skyrocketing, and this is the Purpose Bitcoin ETF holdings increasing, and they are adding. Social interest is buying the dip has skyrocketed after crypto's latest pullback. the S&P 500 correlation is not working in the favor of the for the cryptocurrency sector, and crowd fear will play a large part in the two markets breaking apart from one another. So the question is if Bitcoin will decouple from the S&P 500 and stocks in general. Deep buying interest jumps to highest social volume since March 13th. So this is buying the deep sentiment out there, but there is no retail interest out there, so I don't know who will buying a dip, but maybe whales. So shorter sentiment feels the worst this week, with extreme fear combining with calls for return to 30,000, and also the Google search are as low as just we haven't seen for a couple of years. So there is no retail interest. That's clear. Next, top analyst predicts huge Bitcoin rally by 2023, says current correction designed to shake out traders. So yeah, so we all can agree that this is a kind of redistribution going on. Credible crypto mid-cycle correction are designed to shake you out, and they are quite effective. Just as the guy who sold BTC under 10k during the March capitulation, even before BTC ran 1500%. Patience. High time frame structure remains intact. It's really quite simple. So you see that was the shakeout moment in during the Corona dump in 2020 March, and then happening some similar but with higher lows. Looking for a repeat of what we saw in green here in orange, that it's a sweep of unswept lows into demand and then a reversal. We have a high time frame bullish divergence I mentioned previously that would get invalidated on a high time frame close below 36,000, so I don't want to see us done there for the long BTC. So yeah, so we can go as deep as I think that's yes, a real good buying opportunity. Since my last chart, we rejected off resistance and put in a higher low. We have been in this consolidation structure for the months now. Like BTC, I think curve is basing before a full-on reversal, pull back to 2.2, 2.4, and then looking for a break of resistance. So that would give us a nice trade on curve. So definitely we will look into curve. Next piece of news is Deutsche Bank predicts major US recession next year. Okay, so several other major investment banks, including Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan, are less pessimistic about the future outlook for the US economy. Let's quote, "We will get a major recession, but our strongly held view is that the sooner and the more aggressively the Fed acts, the less longer-term damage to the economy there will be." So how can the Fed acting? Actually, they wanna hike the interest rates, but if the economy will go into recession, that they cannot hike the interest rates. So then they will lower the interest rates or what? So I'm really confused here. We don't need a recession, but probably do need growth to slow to a somewhat below potential pace, a pace that raises recession risks. So guys, yeah, uncertainty out there. Brazil's, but we have some good news, guys, and we don't see this good news are priced in. So someday all this good news just will blow and skyrocket the crypto market. So Brazil's Senate approves Bitcoin law to regulate cryptocurrencies. Let's quote, "I want to congratulate to reporter of the project, Senator Iraye, for the approval here in the plenary of the Senate for this important bill. The penalties must be proportionate to the amount of value affected by this type of crimes. Also, they want to stop crime. Regulation is very welcome, and the trend is for Brazil to follow the largest economies in the world and facilitate the remaining of these coins on Brazilian soil." So that's quite important. And the next piece of news is Buenos Aires confirms it plans to allow citizens to pay taxes with cryptocurrencies. Almost the same. Let's quote, I believe that blockchain technology will give the government the possibility to make all its acts more transparent and encourage the participation of citizens in a deeper way. People will have governance over their information. We are developing a platform so that they can know who is requesting their data and what they are looking. Each of these orders will be made in open blockchain-based system. So guys, this is another use case of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Yes guys, and don't forget that Elon Musk bought up Twitter. So now Elon Musk owns 100% Twitter. So Twitter is a private company, and we see that Elon Musk supports free speech on Twitter, and also there are many signs that he wants push crypto adoption and also Dogecoin adoption further. So definitely this is something that we should consider, as this can lead a next adoption level of cryptocurrencies. Next piece of news is Bitcoin is the perfect asset for retirement, says Michael Saylor. So that was the news that Fidelity's new Bitcoin 41k solution will fill an important vacuum. So Fidelity is now providing pension plans to choose Bitcoin, to invest in Bitcoin. Saylor says Bitcoin is the perfect asset for retirement. Bitcoin's digital property and that makes it in the perfect asset for a retirement plan. It's less risky than bonds and stocks and commercial real estate and gold, he said. So less risky for him, but maybe not for you, but this is how you can educate yourself. It is a technical challenge to offer a 401k savings plan, and Fidelity has overcome that. So we are really delighted to be able to offer this to our employees. 401k plan is a pretty common thing for millions and millions of workers to use to save in order to protect their family interests. This is going to fill an important vacuum in the investment product market, Saylor said, and I think others will follow, and not just in the US but also in other developed countries. Next piece of news is colorful billionaires Dubai real estate firm now accept BTC and Ethereum. So the biggest property, Damak property, offering yet another transactional mode is exciting, and we are glad to recognize the value this technology brings to our customers. So let's quote, it's crucial for global businesses like ours to stay at the top of evolution. Offering yet another transactional mode is exciting, and we are glad to recognize the value this technology brings to our customers. So while most use the term metaverse loosely, we think it's much more, and we have come up with a solution where we bridge the physical and digital assets to allow for cross utilization. So guys, it's quite smart. So they are accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum, purchasing real estate in Dubai and in the UAE, and also they are working on Metaverse and to bridge the physical and digital assets to allow for cross utilization. So guys, this will be huge if you ask me. So ApeCoin is now the biggest metaverse token, edging XC, Mana and Sand. So guys, what Ape is doing is definitely crazy. Ape is rolling, and then we cannot find any correction where Ape is in the metaverse. So as they are launching their land sale very soon, this is why Ape is rolling. Cool guys, let's do this. Let's do this, and let's check my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Denkler on Twitter, follow at Corion Platform, and also follow our Laserpunk God NFTs, so Laserpunk_gods. So you find lots of useful information, also some tweets that were mentioned in the news, give a like and also share all these. Definitely check out this thread from material indicators and waiting for ending the accumulation phase and turning into the distribution. So nice thread, check it out and share. And what else? When will Bitcoin and crypto decouple from the stock market? So this is from Sentiment. Also this is the buying the dip here. Bitcoin ATM in Mexican Senate. So I just mistyped the Mexicans, so sorry for that, guys, sorry for that, really sorry for that. I will do my best next time. So another country adopting Bitcoin and crypto is Brazil. That was the news. And also Panama is also adopting Bitcoin. So guys, so many news from Latin America, they are adopting Bitcoin. Investment banks lending using Bitcoin as collateral. Goldman Sachs and Silvergate Bank are the first movers. So congratulations, like and share. And that was a nice event yesterday. Meta players GG and Next Earth did a partnership, and also Laser Pangats definitely wants to join the bandwagon and launching our land on the Next Earth. So guys, new mining difficulty at all-time high, new country adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, weak hands leaving the market. All these such a great movement for BTC adoption. And Bitcoin has been holding relatively well as Dixie getting higher. So definitely looks pretty good. So guys, let's go and just provide liquidity on Uniswap and PancakeSwap using your CorionX and Ethereum or Binance coin, and then just visit our farms, look up your LPs and earn up juicy 330% APRs. And if you are farming, then you get higher chance. If you are farming a higher amount, then you will get be rewarded with whitelisting places for the NFT Genesis minting of laser punks. So guys, let's go and check out what the charts are showing to us. So Bitcoin still below our support zone, but broke this upward trending trend line, and now I see also short started to increase a little bit, so that I think more and more short positions are building up. So somehow we will having a shakeout. Bitcoin dominance is side waving, not too much happening, and also Ethereum is almost doing the same. So guys, that's it for today. Be sure to follow me and CorionX on Twitter, and also just visit our farms as I mentioned, and also join our Telegram channel. So definitely come and join our Telegram channel, CorionX Money in the right direction. So that was a question here about the total supply. It's 400 million, but 240 million is logged for 5 years. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Smash those likes, push the bell notification on. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Enjoy your day. Happy Friday.